Hello! Good day po mga Lodi. So, in this video, rationalization na naman din sa Law Enforcement Administration. So, ito simple lang to. More on remembering and understanding the concept. So, ano yung NASA Police Service? So, ang question is, the police service considers the police as an organ of crime prevention. So this concept is called. So anong konsepto dito ang more on the proactive, diba? Once we say proactive policing, ito yung piniprevent ang crime na hindi na mangyari. O yan yung proactive. So ang tinatanong is concept. So automatically, diba? May concept man dyan, may theory din. So we are not referring to theories. So wala na ito or i-eliminate na natin itong alpha at bravo. Kasi more on theories to sila. At isa pa, ang continental theory is more focused on the aspect of ano yung service, di ba, ng isang pulis noong unang panahon. So sa continental theory kasi, the police are servants of the higher or upper na mga personalities. So noong unang panahon pa ito wherein parang ang problema na sinusolve ng mga pulis noong una is more on yung sa higher authorities or sa government lang. So wala silang pakialam sa mga manggagawa, sa mga lower level of the society na mga tao. So yan yung continental theory. Theory of police service yan noong una. So ngayon, ang ginagamit natin is itong home rule theory na wherein the police are servants of the community. So meaning, ang tinitingnan nila na problema na bibigyan nila ng solusyon is ang community. So that is home rule theory. So again, alpha at bravo is hindi concept, hindi idea. So more on theories pa lang to sila, di ba? So we already know that ang theory ay ito yung nag-i-explain ng mga abstract ideas pa. So theory noong unang panahon na ang mga police are servants of the higher authorities. Kaya nga, sinusolve nila ang problema is yung sa mga higher authorities lang. Sa home rule, sa community siya. Ang sinusolve nila na problema is yung komunidad mismo. So home rule yung ginagamit natin ngayon na theory. So again, wala na tong alpha at bravo. So concept yung hinahanap natin. So saan dito sa Charlie at Delta yung concept of proactive policing wherein piniprevent ang crime to happen sa isang society. So more focus on the prevention of crime sila rather than arrest. So ang correct answer is Charlie, new concept. Kasi itong old concept, more focus on the arrest of the person sila. So mas marami yung arrest. So meaning, mas effective or mas efficient daw sila. So ito yung tinitingnan na efficiency sa old concept. So noong una pa rin to, diba? So old concept, noong unang panahon, ang tingin nila or perception nila na ang police ay maging efficient lang or effective in their service pag marami ang naaresto. Pero ngayon, sa new concept or sinasabi natin ngayon, other term nito is modern concept. Ang purpose or focus ng police, ng mga police ngayon is crime prevention or proactive policing. Hindi reactive policing kasi itong old concept, reactive policing to eh. Ang ngayon is proactive or prevention of crime. So, pag walang krimen sa community, so meaning efficient or effective ang police. So, again, Charlie yung sagot. So, for any rationalization, please comment down kasi i-rationalize natin yan.